Stoicism is a philosophical school of thought that focuses on developing personal virtue, wisdom, and resilience in the face of life's challenges. While it doesn't emphasize gaining the respect of others as a primary goal, living in accordance with Stoic principles can naturally lead to earning respect from those around you. Here are some Stoic principles and practices that can help you earn respect. Number 1, practice virtue. Stoicism places a strong emphasis on living a life of virtue, guided by wisdom, courage, justice, and self-discipline. When you consistently act in virtuous ways, people are more likely to respect your character and integrity. Stoicism teaches that we. Number 2, focus on what you can control. Stoicism teaches that we should focus our efforts and energy on things within our control, such as our thoughts, actions, and attitudes. By demonstrating control over your responses to external events, you can gain respect for your resilience and composure. Number 3, exhibit wisdom and rationality. Stoicism encourages rational thinking and wise decision-making. When people see that you approach problems and challenges with a calm, logical, and thoughtful mindset, they are more likely to respect your judgment. Number 4, practice self-discipline. Stoicism promotes self-discipline and self-control, which can be admired by others. When you consistently make disciplined choices in various aspects of your life, people may respect your ability to resist temptations and distractions. Number 5, be just and fair. Stoics believe in treating others with fairness and justice. When you demonstrate fairness and impartiality in your interactions, you are more likely to gain the respect of those who perceive you as ethical and principled. Number 6, be humble and grateful. Stoicism encourages humility and gratitude. Expressing gratitude for what you have and acknowledging your own limitations can make you more relatable and endearing to others. Number 7, practice empathy and compassion. While Stoicism emphasizes self-control and rationality, it also promotes empathy and compassion toward others. Showing understanding and kindness to those in need can earn you the respect of others who appreciate your compassion. Number 8, maintain equanimity. Stoicism teaches the importance of maintaining emotional equilibrium in the face of adversity. When people see that you can handle difficult situations with grace and poise, they may respect your emotional resilience. Number 9, lead by example. Live your life in accordance with Stoic principles and let your actions speak louder than words. When others see the positive impact of Stoicism on your life, they may be inspired to follow your lead and respect your philosophy. Number 8, maintain equanimity. Stoicism teaches the importance of maintaining emotional equilibrium in the face of adversity. When people see that you can handle difficult situations with grace and poise, they may respect your emotional resilience. Number 9, lead by example. Live your life in accordance with Stoic principles and let your actions speak louder than words. When others see the positive impact of Stoicism on your life, they may be inspired to follow your lead and respect your philosophy. Remember that respect is not something you can demand or control directly. It is earned over time through consistent behavior and character. By embodying Stoic principles and values, you can increase the likelihood that others will respect you for your virtues and the way you conduct yourself in the world. However, it's important to note that not everyone will necessarily respect Stoicism or your adherence to it, as respect is ultimately a subjective judgment made by individuals.